The system really starts to move in tonight and be with us throughout tomorrow and Thursday. So let's show you what today looks like. There's those few flurries possible this morning. Our temperatures actually dropping throughout the day. Again, peaks of sunshine early this afternoon before more cloud cover builds in later on tonight. And then we start to see this snow develop as we head overnight into early tomorrow morning. So there is a winter storm watch. Our far northern communities, it starts tonight. 10 o'clock lasting through Thursday because you folks will see snow first. Then as we get into tomorrow afternoon, at noon, we will see everyone else fall into this winter storm watch, as that's when we'll start to see that wintry mix, that freezing rain potential. Everything ends for everyone on Thursday. Temperature-wise this morning, this is the warmest we will get. Again, slowly falling throughout the day as we have breezy winds this morning, so it is in turn making us feel colder as we will keep these breezy winds through, at least the first half of the day. Settling back a bit this afternoon, this evening, but it's not going to last for long. As we start to see that snow develop overnight into tomorrow, we'll ramp back up these winds, those wind gusts upwards of 35-40 miles per hour. You add any freezing rain with this, which means ice accumulations, that weight on tree branches, power lines, plus the wind, not a good combo. So that is really what we're truly concerned about as we go throughout the next day or so. Here's a look at today. Again, not bad. Some flurries this morning, some sunshine later on. Temperatures slowly falling throughout the day. We'll lose that sunset at 6:21. And then overnight tonight, that's when we start to build in that snow as temperatures drop back into the mid-20s. This snow, it is scattered primarily overnight into early tomorrow morning. We'll get a little bit of a lull in activity mid to late morning for some of you. But then right as you go into your lunch hour, this will start to build in from south to north. You can see there's that snow and freezing rain wintry mix line. That's going to continue to lift northward. Now, for a general rule for this system, along and north of I-96 snow, along and south, that's where you can get that mixing and freezing rain. That line can and will definitely wobble a bit. So this is something to watch with us. Your Wednesday evening commute, that's going to be a difficult one. This will continue late into the evening. Overnight, we're going to tap into a little bit of a dry slot on Thursday. So dry conditions will be recovering from this. Still, I think your Thursday morning commute can be a bit challenging. We still can see some of that mixing in snow, especially our far northern communities. But then our temperatures are actually going to warm on Thursday. We can get some melting, but then colder air wraps around and we can have a flash freeze into Friday. There are so many parts to this event. You really need to take it day by day with us, but this is an accumulation from Wednesday to Thursday. Again, the more north you are in the dark blue, 3 to 6 inches of snowfall. We finally put numbers on this. In the lighter blue, we're talking 1 to 3 plus of snow. You can have sleet, that wintry mix, ice, and then when you get into that pink, this is that ice zone. So really light blue to pink right around I-96 before you hit I-94. That is our main concern with some of that freezing rain and that ice. If you take a look by Wednesday morning, we're not talking ice for tomorrow morning, but watch as we go throughout the afternoon. That ice really builds in and will stay with us into Thursday. And this is going to be the concern. You get that weight on those tree branches, those power lines, add in the wind. We can have power outages pretty easy, and it could be a substantial ice event. Ice is really hard to forecast, so that's one of the difficult spots of this system. 42 degrees on Thursday, 24 on Friday. We could have a flash freeze in the morning, causing slick spots for your morning commute. Lake effect snow, light snow then possible on Saturday. We're dry on Sunday before more rain chances next Monday.